If you want to create dual apps on the Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just go to Settings, then tap on Apps, and from here you will find the option of Dual Apps. Just tap on it, tap on Create. Now from here just enable the toggle for the apps which you want to create a clone of, just like that. Then select Turn On. Now as you can see, we are creating a clone of the selected app. And as you can see, we have successfully created a clone of the selected app, and some recommended apps has been given at the top. You can create a clone of the recommended apps too. For example, if you want to create a clone of the WhatsApp app, just tap on it, then enable this toggle over here. And as you can see, we have successfully created a clone of the selected app. Now, if we go to the home screen and open the app drawer, as you can see, we have successfully created a clone of the selected app. And as you can see, the cloned version has an icon at the bottom left corner to indicate that this is the cloned version. Just like that. And this is how you can create dual apps on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.